So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of the new Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. So this is a smartwatch more focused on fitness, running, sports, more as a smartwatch as well, because it has features to pick up phone calls, to see the calendar, all that types of connection with your phone. So it's a all-around device. This is indicated as well for people who go to gym, not only for the outdoors, despite of the fact that it comes with a good location on the GPS as well. So the box have this little texture, so it's not flat. It gives a good printing here as well as here. On the back we have some European information about the company, not much. It have the QR code for the app. It's compatible with iPhone and Android. This is a good thing because some of them are not you are not able to use with iPhone. It's the example of the Samsung Watch. You only can use with the Android, but this one it's able to use. You will be able to use with Android and iPhone both. So here have some basic information about the product. It's a Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro, the model number, the color, and that's it. The serial number, not much to go around. So inside we have the phone. This is very good packaging. These have texture as well, and it looks very good. So here we open. Here it's a solid lid, very good solid lid. This is the watch. It comes packed inside. Beside the watch we have on this side the cable to connect. The cable, it is a wireless cable. It has some weight on it. It's nice. It's metal on the outside, it's plastic inside, and it's a USB cable, so not yet USB-C. So it's a USB normal cable. That's fine. I prefer if it was USB-C because we are going on that direction in terms of technology. But I guess they didn't thought about it. So on this side we should have a quick manual. Not so quick because it looks big. So this is warranty card and this is the menu. Okay. It will guide you through the first steps, and yeah, it's a quick start guide. That's it. This is done. This is all that there is inside this box. And about the watch, let's check it out. So the watch has with the little lid that we don't want anymore. The rubber, it's really nice. It have some. It doesn't slide easily, so it grips a little bit. It's not strong, so it's very flexible. That means that it's gonna have some comfort when it put it on the wrist. This is metal. It's a very light metal. The weight of the watch, it's a very light watch comparing to other brands. It looks fine. Have very good finishing. Have two buttons. These have a scroll option. It doesn't tick, tick, tick. It's just go forward and backwards. I like the ones that ticks because imagine that the menu goes up and down and you feel like tick, 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 and the menu correspond to that. This just goes, doesn't have that. And it's an inside button, so you can click it. This is another button. This looks like very much the Apple. On this side, we will have the speakers and we will have the microphone as well. So you can receive calls on the watch. On the back, we have all these sensors. We have a bunch of sensors. So these measure the heartbeat, it measures the oxygen in the blood, it does the EGG, maybe temperature. So it have a lot of sensors, as you can see. It's very complete in terms of sensors. For the stripe, to take the stripe, you have a little button here. You just click it and it comes out easily. Really nice. I really like this because it's very easy to change stripes. To put it back is just click it. So it's really good. I really enjoy this quick put it and release stripe option. So let's turn it on. Maybe this one. There you go. Comes up with the logo, with Huawei logo, very nice. The watch is very flat on the surface. Let me put it on the wrist so I can feel it out. Feels nice. Doesn't go completely flat on it, but it feels comfortable. Even to sleep, I think it's gonna be a comfortable, because it's really light. That's one of the main features. It's a light watch. It doesn't mess with your movement, so I like it. I don't like to sleep with a watch. For me, the size and the weight, it matters when it comes to sleep. So that's why I have this to sleep, but this one, it looks good. So this is the first menu. The quality of the image, it's really amazing. It have very good quality. And you have some information, and that's it. To connect it, you can connect it with the app. It's the configuration part I can do on the next video if you want. And that's it. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. See you next time. Thank you.